Hi, in this video I will show you how to put picture in the shapes in Canva. So the process is pretty simple. You can do this on the mobile application or on the laptop or the computer. All the versions are available. So first of all you have to open your Canva on your laptop or on the phone, and after that you have to click on the create a new design, and here you can simply custom a new design. Now once you will do it, now create a new design here, and you will see an editor is open here. Simply first of all you have to upload a picture you want to be in shape and drag it here, adjust it. Now go to the elements from here and search for the frames for here, and you will see a different shapes are appear here. Select any shape you want to set as a picture and drag it. Now put this picture on this shape and you will see it's converted into shape. Now you can write text or add background, anything according to your choice. So this is the procedure to do this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.